If you're looking to work out at home, definitely want to check out the Amazon Basics workout bench. This bench is great. I use it myself. It's nice because it's not super big and it's not super tiny either. It's very sturdy, as you can see, just like a bench, like a workout bench at any gym. I would say it's pretty comparable. Has to install it. You install with these screws here. It has this, the legs here, and they're made of metal, so they're very sturdy. It's not super heavy, so you can see you can lift it with one hand. It's not super light. It's not super heavy either. It's not too crazy. So my only little con that I have with this are the screws. So I was installing them myself and then using a wrench, I installed these, but just make sure that you really have to tighten it. At least that was my experience. Like I did it and then it wouldn't tighten, and I really had to use a lot of strength to tighten them. And there's other screws up here as well. So you want to make sure you do those. But it's very simple to install. It just has, excuse me, let me show you. So it has these screws here, that one there. You move this, and then it has these as well. So it's pretty simple. That's basically all it is. It's just the 2 legs and the 8 screws, and of course this flat part. So yeah, as you can see, it doesn't have any damage or anything. I've used it for a couple years and it's been great. So yeah, so definitely something you want to check out if you're looking to do an at-home workout.